Yeah, we're about to put this in. Got the trusty car tools. To fucking take off all the screws. Fucking gets a little screwed, but bro, fucking beat it. Shit's all lubed up and ready to go. Ooh, she spits nice. Ooh. Alright, let's see if we hear any difference, if there's any difference at all. I don't hear a difference. I put the camera in the hood and see if you guys could hear anything, but I didn't hear anything from inside the cabin. Flash this, stage 1 E85 with EQT, so shout out to them. It's a fucking crazy file. I need tires for this tune. I can't do shit in second gear. There's no second gear for me. Just goes. As you guys saw, we did just install a K&N drop-in air filter in the stock intake. They're pretty good. They're not very restrictive, and especially with the drop-in filter, it should do a little better. Probably make a little bit more, which I don't need right now because I don't even have. Damn, all the boys are out today. Oh, it's AMG. Dude, whoever drives these Ford Explorers, man, why? They're probably affordable. Gas is probably great. Can fit a bunch of shit. I get it. But you're a narc. Sorry. Like, what? Why you want to look like a cop all the time? Like, there's better options out there, you know? Damn, that shit's way louder. That's dope. Of course, this guy goes out in front of me, bro. I also did cut out facing the front of the car. There's like little, they look like cutouts, but they're not cut out. So I cut those out so the turbo gets a little more air to it from the stock air intake. And I do not have room for a pull right here. I mean, we could probably try dirt a little bit right here, a little taster. I need tires. I'm fucking sliding everywhere. Like, it's like that was barely quarter to half throttle. It's a hot day today, so I don't want to do too many, especially since my access port don't be working, so I can't get any of my readings and shit. So look, second gear, I got nothing in it. It's just sliding. It's just sliding. That fucking blow off it gives before it starts to like really like spin is crazy. Like, it blows out all the air like once, like right before it starts to really spin, and it sounds nuts. It sounds like I have fucking like Nas, bro. Like psst, and then it starts like really spooling and spinning. It's crazy. I forget the tires that are gonna be on the RPF ones that I'm picking up later today, but they're they're Federals. They're Federal tires, and they look pretty dope. They're used, but they look like they still got some grip left. So if they work for my car and they hook, best believe I'm running those shits to the ground. Bro, I love E85. Love, hate, more love. Because I filled up yesterday, $29 to fill up my tank. How fucking nuts is that? That is nuts. And the fucking price raised. It used to be like $280 when I was really thinking about getting an E85, and now it's at like $3 down in Granada, and up here where I'm at, it's fucking $380. It's crazy. It's going up a lot. Regardless, it's still like more than $1 cheaper than regular gas, or 93, almost $2. But dude, $29. That fucking beats anything any day. I don't even care. $29 is insane. And it's better for your car, and it makes it faster. Like, how is it cheaper? It's like, I know it's made of corn, but it's crazy. If you can get on an 85, you have it in your area, 100% get it. It is a crazy difference. This car, stock, to stage 1 E85, like everything else is stock. Intake, no downpipe, no exhaust, no other mods besides the drop-in and I do have a torque mount insert and the blow-off valve diverter. So that's all I have, and which doesn't really, you know, doesn't give you any more power besides the drop-in air filter, which isn't even that crazy. But yeah, so that's a little update.